girl, MonicaStyle Muse, and today's video we will be focusing on my signature makeup look. This look gives me the ultimate e.l.f. confidence. So, para comenzar, to start off your fresh, even canvas face, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Foundation in the color Chocolate, aka chocolate. I'm more of a sponge kind of girl, so I like to apply it right on the sponge. No se preocupen. You see how thick that is? Thick like me. I don't really like to tell people about it, but it's okay. And we're just gonna go right in. You see that full coverage? That's what you want, okay? That's what I'm talking about. This is one pump of this magic, okay? Just letting y'all know. And do not forget under your neck, y'all. Are we cute? Next, we're moving on to our concealer. Today I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camel Concealer in the color Sea Chestnut. Can we just talk about this doe foot? That's a lot of applications. So, uno, dos, tres, that's it, okay? Unless you wanna do the most, which is totally fine. I'm just gonna give you my signature look, okay? So, otra vez, 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. Relax. I know you guys are like, this is a lot. It's not, I got y'all. Boom, boom, boom. Listen, no se preocupen. That's it. Now you're gonna take your wet sponge. Pro tip, do not use a sponge when it's dry. It's like the worst thing ever. Don't do it, okay? So you wanna use the tip, mira pa arriba. You wanna be very delicate under your eye. I'm sorry, okay? No, I haven't slept, but this concealer is really helping me out right now, okay? But this is so creamy and it blends out beautifully. What's pretty impressive about the 16-Hour Camel Concealer is, you guys, it's only $5. So I'm actually gonna use a darker shade to snatch my face up. I'm actually gonna go in with the color Rich Ebony to really give me that definition and just make me lose like 10 pounds off my face, just like that. So, uno, dos, tres. Woohoo! You see that? And I just like to go on the perimeter of my forehead. Not on the top, because I find that when you put it on top, it looks muddy. Just use your sponge and drag the rest of the product along your forehead. And baby, thank me later, okay? Like, let's just go in. Oh, y'all getting this? Because that is like, okay? That's what you want. That definition already. Listen, for $5, thank me later, get two. Next, we're gonna go in and set our contour with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Contour Palette in the color Dark Deep. So for contouring, you wanna sculpt. So it doesn't wanna look harsh. You want it to just kind of create a little bit of definition on your face. So you see, you created a beautiful contour, but I don't stop there. I know this might be a little bit extreme for people, but I never leave my house without a contour nose. So I take a small fluffy brush and we just do a minimal snatch moment. You wanna go under your brow and you just go like that, okay? You see, very minimum, but it really does make a difference. All right guys, next it's time for a little lash moment. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Plump It Up Mascara. This look is perfect for on the go. I'm from New York, so I'm used to doing my makeup on a train. And this is perfect. Clumping where, okay? Not over here. And I also like to go in with the mascara for my bottom lashes. Bottom lashes on the train or on the bus, I don't recommend, but I'm extra. So if you want to follow my steps, do it. Next, I'm just gonna fill in my brows, very subtle. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the color Black. We're gonna go in with my spoolie, work it up, and we're just gonna find those kind of scarce areas. Brows definitely shape the face. You don't want a harsh brow. Just a clean brow is just the first thing I feel like people look at. Don't feel intimidated by bushy brows. You can always go in with a little bit of concealer and get these bad boys in shape. You guys, we are down to our last step. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Plumping Lip Gloss in Mocha Twist. Ooh, baby, hold on. You know when you wear a lip gloss and it's so like pegajoso, like sticky? This is not it. It's like so creamy. It feels hydrating and I really feel like the plumping is happening. So full lips, here I come. All right guys, terminamos. This is my signature makeup look that definitely gives me my ultimate e.l.f. confidence. I don't know about you guys, but in my channel, I like to say this, what you was saying, because e.l.f. definitely came through with this look. I am so happy with these products. I hope this video helps you do the most while you're hitting the streets. Thanks for watching.